Lovingly cared for end unit townhome. Spacious and clean. 3 to 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3 level home. Newer flooring in main level living room and dining room. Open and spacious kitchen with pantry. Master suite with vaulted ceiling and master bathroom ensuite. Upper level laundry. 2 additional bedrooms on upper level. Finished basement with 4th bedroom, NTC, or could be used for office or home gym. Basement also features an additional family rec room, table/dining area, and full bath. This home offers so much. Come see it, fall in love, and make it your own.